the periodic trend in the atomic radius. The trend is, as you go down the group, the radius increases, while as you go in the period from left to right, the radius decreases. The atomic radius is the distance between the nucleus to the edge of the atom. For any neutral atom, there is an attraction force between the nucleus, which is positively charged, and the electrons, which are negatively charged. This attraction force is weaker as we go further from the nucleus and is stronger as we go closer to the nucleus. So as we have more shells, we have less attraction force. And as we have less number of shells and more number of electrons, we have a higher attraction force. Let's see how this works on the periodic table. In the same group, from up to down, the number of shells is increased. For example, the hydrogen has 1 electron, which is distributed in only 1 electron shell. Lithium has 3 electrons. Its configuration is 2, 1, which means it has 2 electron shells. Sodium has 11 electrons and its distribution is 2, 8, 1. So sodium has 3 electron shells. As we go down, number of electron shells increases, which means the radius increases because the distance from the nucleus to the edge of the atom increases. Moving from left to right, in the same period, there is a decrease in the atomic radius because in the same period, we have the same number of electron shells. Period number 2 has 2 electron shells. For example, lithium has 3 electrons. The distribution is 2 and 1. So the second shell has only 1 electron. Beryllium has 4 electrons. Its distribution is 2 and 2. They are the same 2 electron shells, but we have an extra electron at the outer shell. Boron has 2, 3. As we go from left to right, the same number of electron shells, but the number of electrons increases. At the same time, the number of protons, the positive protons in the atom, increases as well, which means a higher positive charge and a higher negative charge. That means that there is more attraction. So the outer shell is more attracted towards the nucleus. At the end, the atomic radius drops. In the same group from up to down, the radius increases due to the increase in the number of shells, while going in the same period from left to right, the atomic radius decreases because of the increased number of the negative charge and the increase in the positive charge, which leads to a higher and more attraction force that lead to a shrink in the radius.